How to sign into M&T Bank online banking. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the M&T Bank website. After you're in the website, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to sign into M&T Bank online, you need to go to the login page. Here in this home screen at the top right, you can see the login option. Tap on this. Next up, you'll need to select which service you want to access. Since we are trying to sign into M&T Bank online, select this M&T Online Banking option. Tap on this. Now you will be prompted to the login page of the M&T Bank Online Banking. You must have already created your account before. You can use the same account credential in order to log into your account. Provide your user ID, enter your passcode, and after that, tap on this login button. And that's how you can easily sign into M&T Bank Online Banking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.